So our second keyword will be GIS, or GIS data, graphical information systems. GIS would be the keyword. And I'd like to introduce what's going to actually happen in 2024. I can't actually teach this yet because we're not working in the 2024 version of Revit. I don't expect you to be upgrading anytime soon. You can do this mid-year next year. But there's going to be a modification to the way we work with Topo surfaces. They're going to move to what's called Topo solids. The idea of seeing this as a thicker geometry is going to offer some kind of new opportunities for things that you haven't even learned yet. So I don't mean to overburden you with it. Once you're familiar with Revit, for another semester or so, you're going to be totally comfortable with the readaptation to this. I just want to give you a heads up that the 2024 version is going to deal with the way we manipulate topographical information, dealing with it more as a solids instead of a surface. And I think that holds a lot of great promise for the effectiveness of this geometry when we use it inside of Revit. So it might offer opportunities to work with other kinds of surface geometry, or solids geometry from other software. So I think it's something to look at as a positive thing. And I'll have more about that when I go through it and create new learning resources for next year. So the final keyword then will be Topo solid. So we have a total of 3 keywords for the sign-in.